In this video I'm going to show you how to access the workshop menu on the Mercedes eSprinter from 2024. Press one time on the ignition button so it's in its first position, like this. You can see it is in its first position when the airbag light is on. Then press for 3 seconds this button here, the return button. 1, 2, 3, and then press one time on the OK button, like this. And now you are in the workshop menu. So 3 seconds on this button first, and then while you're holding this button, just one time click on the OK button. And now you are in the workshop menu. So to scroll, what you do is you just press this button here. And here you can do everything. It says plus, for example. Click OK. Switch ignition on. OK. Okay, and you can go on further. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and then I see you in the next one.